What is your name? Stanum Sade.
My name is Ali. Zamanum Ali day.
What are you doing? Tasakawai.
I'm studying English. The Inglisilulam.
What do you want? Tasagwale.
I want some water. Zalag ubagwadam.
What is this? The Sashaide.
This is a pen. Diopinde.
What happened? Sapekshu.
Nothing happened. He's nidipekshave.
Who are you? Tasokei.
I'm a student. Zeus the kaunkayam.
Who is calling? Sok Zangwahe.
My friend is calling. Zamamalgari zangwahi.
Who said this? That Chawail.
My teacher said this. Dazama ustad veilidi.
Who is your teacher? Sta Ustad. Sok Dai.
Mr. Khan is my teacher. Shaghale Khan zama ustad day.
Who helped you? Cha tasara marastawakada.
My brother helped me. Zama urur rasara marasta wakda.
Where are you going? Ta chirtazai.
I am going to school. Zashkhunzi tazam.
Where do you live? Ta chirta osejai.
I live in Peshawar. Zapa Peshawar ke usegam.
Where is my bag? Zama bags chirtadai.
Your bag is on the table. Stabex parmez day.
Where are they? Hagui chirtadi.
They are outside. Hahui bahardi.
When did you learn English? Ta Englisi chirtajedakada.
I learned English online. Ma Englisi online zakda.
When will you come? Ta kalarazai.
I will come tomorrow. Zasabarazam.
When did you arrive? Ta kalarahlai.
I arrived yesterday. Zaparun ragalam.
When is your class? Sta tolgai kaladai.
My class is at 5 p.m. Zamatul gaye papanzu bajude.
When will it start? Da kala shuru kigi.
It will start soon. Dade rajar shuru kigi.
When is your birthday? Sta da zigedo varaz kalada.
My birthday is in June. Zamadazi gado vras pa June kide.
Why are you late? Ta wali na waqta shave.
I missed the bus. Zabas tawarasidale nashum.
Why are you sad? Ta wali khafayai.
I am not feeling well. Zakhaneyam.
Why did you go there? Ta hal ta wale waladai.
I went to meet my friend. Zakhpal dost saradali dalu lapara waladam.
Why is he angry? Haga wale husadai.
He is angry because he is tired. Hagagasade zakachistadalede.
Why are you laughing? Ta wale khandai.
I heard a funny joke. Maya wa khandaun ki latifa wavreda.
How are you? Ta sangayai.
I am fine, thank you. Zakhem manana.
How does this work? Da sanga karkavai.
It works very simply. Dadera sada karkavi.
How old are you? Sta umar sodai.
I am 20 years old. Zama umar shpal kaledi.
How can I help you? Za sanga darsara marastawakram.
You can guide me. Taratallar shawana kawaleshe.
How do you say this in English? Da pa Englisi ke sangawail kigi.
You say it like this. Da dasiwail kigi.